Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Lock Junkie here. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I've got this beautiful Federal 200A, Federal Lock, 200A series, and it is a just a beautiful piece. Just a beautiful piece. It's got a little bit of scuffing on here from me sticking it in the vise without something around it, but I've learned my lesson there. So this lock is kind of finicky. I've tried picking it in the vise and I don't have as much success, but when I pick it in hand, for some reason, I get better feedback. So we're gonna pick this guy old school in the hand. Okay. I'm not sure, it's just a very different pick, I can't lie. It's not like extremely difficult or anything. It's it is a little tricky, I can't lie. It definitely took me a little bit to figure out how she likes to work. But I'm curious. I want to know what's inside. I want to know what's inside. So we're going to find out now together. I want to know why that feels the way it feels. Will that work? Yeah, it will. Oh, still not done yet. Okay, that must be a long one. All right. Really? I should have just kept unscrewing it. Jeez. This is a long screw. Holy moly. There we go. Cool. Da 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 da. Jeez Louise. There we go. All right. See, I'll go this way. I will shim everything always. Just because if you've ever had a fucking fuck up, you know what I'm saying. Okay. I think I'm going to need this little guy here, correct? I think so. Oh, wow. Very cool. Okay, sorry. Where's my tweezers? Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 serrated key pin, 4 serrated key pin, 2 standard key pin, 1 standard key pin, 3 serrated key pin, and last but not least, ay. 6 is standard. Cool. You know what? Are you serious? Okay. Never mind. I was tripping for a second. Alright. Plug is clean. Let's take a look up top here. See where all the good stuff is. We'll start at the back. We will start at the back. Let's start at the back with number 6. Spool. 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 Dump these. All the same springies. Those fucking dogs are really annoying. Holy shit, are they ever fucking annoying. Alright, this will be number 1. Is number 1 a standard? Really? Wow. Number 1's a standard. Oh, interesting. Well, are you kidding me? Check that out. Number 2 is a barrel. Wow. That is different. And another spool for number 3. Isn't that something? Look at this, the springs. So this is spring for number 1. Hold on, you're gonna see something trippy. Here's spring for number 2. Look at that. A fucking different type of fucking spring. And same for that guy. Or no, my bad. Okay, so they're all the same except for the spring with the barrel. That is just fucking interesting. Wow. Phantom. Is that not fucking cool, bro? Wow. That's something else, guys. That is super cool. All right, let's check this out. I'll give you a close-up here. Look at that, guys? So, key pins, 1 and 2, standard. 3, 4, 5, serrated, 6, standard. Drivers, 1, standard. 2, barrel. 3, 4, 5, 6, spools. Wow. That is just different. Very cool lock, Phantom. Very fucking cool lock. And then the springs, 1, 3, 4, 5, and 6 are the same, but number 2, where the barrel is different. So these would be what? Brass springs or copper springs, and then this would be a steel spring. Wow, that's interesting. Super cool. Wow. Okay, that is the Federal 200A. That's all I got for you guys. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment, and I will catch you later. Bye for now.